Want to learn graphic design in 2026 but don't know where to start? This video is your complete beginner guide. Hey, I am Jack from PixelPlus Studio, a professional graphic designer with over 5 years of experience. And today, I will show you exactly how beginners can learn graphic design step by step. Graphic design is not about talent. It's about practice and consistency. You don't need expensive tools or years of experience. You just need patience and daily learning. As a beginner in 2026, start with this tool. Canva is perfect for absolute beginners. Adobe Photoshop for photo editing and designs. Adobe Illustrator for logos and vector graphics. Before creating design, you must understand the basics like colors, theory, typography, layout, and spacing. These rules make your design look professional. Don't just watch tutorials, practice daily. Recreate posters, logos, and social media posts you see online. Then try your own ideas. Even 30 minutes a day can change your future. If you want beginner-friendly tutorials, real-time practices, and freelancing guidance, follow PixelPlus Studio. Your design journey starts today.